headed to work. So I'm staying at Camp Casey. We are south of North Korea, south of North Korea, and really close to the border. First official day starting here in Camp Casey. I probably should have been in it at the office 30 minutes sooner. However, I'm gonna stroll and get there. Seems like I got a really good group of folks that I work with. I'm looking to make a difference on this PCS. I want to really get involved with my soldiers and be that employee like some of my peers are really gung-ho about this job. So we're gonna see what I can do. Let me show you some of the scenery along the way. A lot of buses. Today, I meet with my realtor. We're gonna go look at some places for me to stay. I'm not picky. I just want to see if I can get one of these owners to throw in a car. Let me show you this hill I'm going up. That's why I'm winded. I gotta talk less because I'm using more energy. But this is good. I'm eating a lot, so I need to make sure getting some exercise. And woo. This is interesting. All right, I'm gonna stop for a second. Gotta catch my breath. Woo! Somebody needs to create an anti-foggy mask. You might run into a tree because you can't see. So this is where I work. Army Material Command, 403rd Army Field Support Brigade. It's weird being a new guy. Starting over, it's like starting a brand new job. It's just very interesting being the new guy. I want to do well on this mission, and I want to be helpful. So we're gonna pay attention, listen, observe, make the best of this distance. So I'll talk to you soon. So we're supposed to meet here at Starbucks. And let's see.
Prettier too.
So this is my real estate agent. She gonna take care of me, folks. I've been talking to her for like 2.5 months.
Casey. Casey.
So anybody coming to Camp Casey, Miss Eugene can take care of them.
Yay! Let's go.
All right, America, these are my friends now.
Again.
This is where I'm gonna be spending all my money.
Oh, yes.
They're real nice to me, so
Oh.
they deserve it. And she's trying to hide from the camera over here. Susie, you can't hide. Is it? I guess they said it. The train is easy,
Yes, very easy.
but
You just get a T card. That T card is like a chargeable card. So you can charge like a 10,000 won, 20,000 won, whatever. and then you can use that for the public transportation,
Okay.
like a bus, train, or taxi too. And you can go to CU, like the convenience store, if they have a T mark.
Okay.
You can buy the food with the car too.
Okay.
Yeah. And then, for the train, it's about just $1 amount like that.
Oh, okay,
So
okay.
you can go hiking here.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I might do that.
We have a 60%, of our land is mountain
Oh, really?
and green things.
This up here at Camp Casey area?
I mean, in Korea.
Oh, 60% is mountain in
Yes.
Korea.
And 1 hour this way, there's a lot of mountains too. You can hiking. You
Wow. I might do that. When it warms up. It's too cold right now.
No, it's a month later.
One more
Yeah.
month? Okay.
Because it's still some mountain, on the mountain there is snows, so it could be slippery. So maybe not now, but in March.
Okay. This is probably where I'm gonna be living, folks.
Schumannville 2. That's the apartment name.
Shumandale?
Schumannville.
Schumannville.
Yes, brand new.
These are brand new?
Yeah, only 2.5 year old.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, almost 3, but yeah, still brand new. And most people who living in Koreans.
Oh, really? That's where I want to be. I don't want to be around.
You need the Korean neighbors.
Yes. Oh, that's how they deliver your stuff?
Yeah, like moving.
Okay.
They have a playground, daycare, and community center. Can you see? There's
Oh,
a
yes,
gym.
ma'am.
There's gym.
Okay, okay.
14th floor.
14. I guess that's where we headed, folks. Wow. Okay, I like this. I love this right here. This is beautiful. Wow. Wow. This is ridiculous. You're more than 40?
네.
40 what?
That's a secret.
Uh-oh. And you said you had 3 kids?
Yes.
You look so much younger than 40. Why is it a secret?
I'm 아줌마. You know 아줌마?
Ajima? What's Ajima?
Lady, married, and lazy, and selfish.
Oh, that's you? Why you so
No
selfish?
manner. No, I mean the old ages ladies. We call 아줌마.
Okay, okay.
But don't call any ladies 아줌마. They should like 아가씨.
Ajishi.
아가씨.
Akashi. What is Akashi?
Young lady.
Oh, Akashi. You're Akashi.
Thank you.
Okay, okay. Oh, that's a nice. Is this it?
This one.
Oh, this one.
This one garage door.
Okay.
뿌리하고 뭐 나누기 1100 해도 31,100 뿌리 되던데요? 네네네네. 그러면 손님하고 시간 맞춰서 커트는 원래 있지 않나요?
On the way back, can we get some food to go somewhere?
Of course. What kind of food do you like?
What do you recommend Korean?
What? Spicy?
I don't know if I don't like too spicy, but I'm willing to try it. I'm used to stuff like fried rice, the yellow fried rice with the shrimp and the meat in it. But noodles, I don't know. You pick something for me. Oh, this is the chicken spot right here?
Yes.
Okay.
Mom's touch. You know, here, nearby here, Camp Casey, many people, they are American, yes. But why they came out to here, they like Korean chicken better than Popeyes.
Oh yeah, I don't like Popeye.
안녕하세요.
감사해요.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
네.
Yeah.
So you have menu here too.
You said don't take their pay.
데이터.
They scared to get the pay.
그러니까 오늘은 윙이 없. 이거 fusion style, like a Chinese Filipino style. Ham fried, bacon fried, sausage fried, bulgogi fries, and pork fried. Do you like the shrimp
I might do sausage fry.
better?
Okay, folks, I got me some Korean food. Right here is some egg drop soup. We got us some sausage fried rice. And of course, the brother had to get him some chicken. But this is some Korean fried chicken with Korean sauces and spices. And I got me a mango strawberry smoothie. And to top it off from the hotel, I got me some cookies. So look, folks, it is snowing in Korea. Yes, this is snow. Wow, this is amazing. My whole world is changing before my eyes. So yeah, this is gonna be an interesting trip, and I'm gonna go and learn the culture. I signed up for a class that starts tomorrow, Korean class on Post. I will be volunteering and continuing on with my video production process and learning how to film and sharing my story while I'm here in Korea. And when I leave, I'm probably gonna leave the government job behind. I'm trying to get up out of here. This is the last time I want to be away from my family. And if I can talk my wife into it, I'm gonna see if she'll come and enjoy it with me for a couple months at a time. And I'm already planning to extend for another year. So with the business model that we are trying to share with the world through Tompkins Consulting. It takes 2 years for this to fully develop, and this is the first year, and plan on extending for a year. I have a great realtor, and I'm just gonna enjoy this time, folks, and proceed as God leads me. To God be the glory.